Our topic for today is volume, specific volume, and control volume. Volume, the amount of space that a substance or an object occupies or that is enclosed within a container. Keep in mind that the volume has nothing to do with weight or mass. Volume is a measurement of how much space is occupied by a substance. So example, ang space sa usa ka substance or shape niyang gi-occupy kay mo na iyang volume. So next, specific volume is the ratio of a substance volume to its mass and is defined as the number of cubic meters occupied by 1 kilogram. So kani si specific volume mao daw na ang volume sa unit mass sa usa ka substance. So when we say unit mass, mao nang amount sa matter nga na sa usa ka substance nga na measure. Example kay unit sa mass kay kilogram, and then other example kay tons and pound. So, mao ni siya ang formula sa specific volume. Specific volume equals volume divided by mass. So, next, control volume is a volume in space of special interest for particular analysis. The surface of a control volume is referred to as control surface. The control surface is defined with relative to a coordinate system that may be fixed, moving, or rotating. So this is how to calculate for a specific volume. So to calculate specific volume, you need to know the volume and the mass. Specific volume equals volume divided by mass. So take note about this, guys. Kay si volume is measured in cubic meters. So mo na ang unit kaning sulod sa parentheses. And then mass is measured in kilograms. Specific volume is then calculated as volume divided by mass. So, let's say your container is 10 gallons or 0.038 cubic meters. So, 10 gallons, gi-convert lang na siya. And you have 5 kilogram worth of air in there. So, kani say 5 kilograms, mao ni ang atong mass. So, since si specific volume man ang gipangita, so, ma-identify naman nato si volume og si mass. So, i-divide lang na nato sila. So, 0.038 divided by 5. So, we come up with 0.0076 cubic meters per kilogram. So, proceed to sa next example. Squeeze the container to 5 gallons. So, we come up with 0.019 cubic meters. Same thing, i-convert Japan si 5 gallons. And then, atong mass kay 5 kilograms lang gihapon. So, i-divide na ninyo siya. So, makakame up mo og 0.0038 cubic meters per kilogram. Your specific volume decrease when you decrease the volume. If your container is made bigger, the specific volume is going to increase and your density is going to decrease. So, next kay control volume. So, control volume acts like an open system where mass and energy flows in and out of it. So basically, control volume is used to study system that has mass and energy flow. So same thing ani sa illustration. Energy comes in the system, energy comes out of the system. Then mass comes in the system, mass comes out of the system. So next, muna example sa open system, si air compressor. So, nga nang na-consider man si air compressor as an open system, kay tungod na may energy o mass interaction. So, air compressor is a device na mo compress sa air from from low pressure to high pressure. And then, ang kaning motor, usa ni siya ka rotating device na mo supply sa mechanical work. So, nanay energy na gi-exert. So, mo na to ang energy pasulod sa system. So, mo ni si work in. Then, the low pressure, mo ning mass in. Si low pressure coming in, padung sa system, kay mo to ang mass in nato. Then, ighuman o compress sa low pressure to high pressure, kay ipagawas to si high pressure sa system. So, si high pressure, kay mao to atong mass out. So, the air compressor got heated, there will be heat flow from high temperature to low temperature. So since the heat comes out of the system, so mo na ni siya dinhi kaning arrow na heat out, mao na ang heat na nigawa sa system. So next, the air compressor is an example of controlled volume. In short, it's cycle where energy from the motor comes in and the low pressure comes in. So mo to si mass in, and then katong si high pressure mo ni ang mass out nato. Gipagawas na siya sa system, and then as kani si compressor kay na heated man siya, so mao to ang heat energy na gipagawa sa system. So muna ang heat out. So since ang meaning sa control volume kay anang system that has mass and energy flow, so na involve man to si work og si mass dinhi, so muna si air compressor ma-considered siya as an example sa control volume.